Searching for a tasty and gorgeous cake inspired by autumn? Try making these best sweet potato cake recipes using a cake mix. I guarantee that it is easy to make at home. What you will need in making this recipe. Ingredients: 1 box of yellow cake mix, about 15.25 ounces. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. 3 pieces of large eggs. Half a cup of water. 1 bag of steamable diced sweet potato, about 12 ounces. 1 container of marshmallow fluff, about 7.5 ounces. 1 block of cream cheese. 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Half a cup of brown sugar. 1/4 cup of chopped pecans. Step by step. Step 1. At 350 degrees Fahrenheit, preheat the oven. Microwave the diced sweet potato as directed in the instructions on the package. Then, mash the sweet potatoes until they become smooth. Step 2. Prepare the boxed cake mix as directed in the package. Then, add the sweet potato mash. Be sure that you stir until it incorporates well. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and ensure to stir. Step 3. Grease the 2 7-inch springform pans and dust them with flour. Divide and pour the sweet potato cake batter into your springform pans. Divide the brown sugar and butter mixture. Then, pour into the pans. Also, dollop and carefully swirl using a spoon or butter knife. Step 4. Place the cake in the oven. Then, bake for about 40 to 45 minutes until cooked. Remove the cake from the oven and cool for about 15 minutes. Step 5. Prepare the frosting while waiting for the sweet potato cake to cool down. Then, add your marshmallow fluff and softened cream cheese inside a mixing bowl. Afterward, mix using an electric mixer set at high speed. After that, combine until the mixture becomes smooth. Step 6. Mix 1/4 cup of butter and brown sugar in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil on low heat. After that, simmer for about 5 minutes. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in your chopped pecans. Step 7. Remove the cakes from the springform pan. Then, allow them to cool completely. Also, once the cakes cool completely, place 1 layer of the cake stand. Afterward, add the frosting and spread the marshmallow fluff frosting evenly using an offset spatula. Place the second layer on top. Step 8. Spread the remaining frosting on the sides using the offset spatula. Then, pour the candied pecans on top of the cake. As always, serve and enjoy. Another recipe. Ingredients: 1 box of pound cake mix. 1 cup of mashed cooked sweet potatoes. Half a cup of milk. 1 tablespoon of ground nutmeg. 3 pieces of eggs. 1 tub of cream cheese frosting. Step by step. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a non-stick cooking spray to grease your 10-inch Angel Food cake pan and dust it lightly with flour. Step 2. Combine the cake mix, mashed sweet potatoes, milk, nutmeg, and eggs in a large mixing bowl. Mix with an electric mixer for about a minute at a low-speed setting. Scrape down the bowl's sides using a rubber spatula. Beat until well combined. Step 3. Once combined, pour the sweet potato cake batter into your pan. Afterward, place the Angel Food cake pan inside the oven and bake for about 45 to 50 minutes. Step 4. Let the cake cool down for about 10 minutes inside the pan and transfer it to a cooling wire rack to cool. Once the cake is cool, frost it using cream cheese frosting. Serve and enjoy. Tips and tricks. You can use leftover cooked sweet potatoes instead of steamable ones. Also, you may use 8-inch spring forms, however, it will make the sweet potato cake layers thinner. A cup of mashed sweet potato is equivalent to 2 small or 1 large cooked sweet potato. Moreover, you can garnish this sweet potato cake with candied fruits or nuts. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.